Ardagh Group is a global leader in glass and metal packaging solutions. We produce packaging for most of the world's leading food, beverage and consumer care brands. Our partnership with ESB Smart Energy Services was driven by a need to drive our innovation and sustainability mandates. It's really important that we have business continuity and reduce our input and our effect on the environment. Due to the infrastructure of the HV supply system, we are susceptible to voltage dips, and what we were looking for was a solution that would allow us to ride out these voltage dips.
Working in partnership between ESB and Ardagh Glass, we've delivered a 2 megawatt battery on their site. This is the first project of its kind at this scale in Britain, delivering value to the customer and value to the grid operator.
Because this is a 24/7, 365 days a year production facility, no impact could be experienced by the plant during our installation process. The battery system alleviates pressure on the grid by charging during off-peak periods and providing an alternative source of energy to the local site during peak periods.
We chose ESB Smart Energy Services due to their global reputation and their ability to capture all aspects of energy management.